Samuel, we've got a new glass cutting machine to install in the production area. This is a big job, so we need to follow each step carefully. First, make sure the machine is placed in the correct spot on the floor. It needs to be aligned with the cutting table, so check the floor markings for proper positioning. Once the machine is in place, secure it by tightening the anchor bolts. Use a wrench to make sure they're properly fastened so the machine won't move during operation. Next, you need to connect the electrical system. Go to the control panel and double-check the power connections. Ensure that all the cables are securely plugged in and that no wires are exposed. The power should be turned off while you're doing this. If everything looks good, turn on the power and check the voltage to make sure it's within the correct range, about 220 to 230 volts for this model. Now, let's move on to the setup of the glass cutting system. Adjust the cutting blade height according to the specifications in the manual. You should set it to exactly 5 mm above the surface of the table for accurate cuts. Once you've adjusted the blade, check the blade alignment. The blade should be parallel to the table to avoid uneven cuts. If everything looks good, test the machine by running a small piece of glass through it to see if it cuts properly.